Hello everyone. In this tutorial, you will learn about assignment operators, which is also called as augmented assignment operators or shorthand assignment operators. So let's start. Let's start with first shorthand assignment operator or augmented assignment operator. First is equals to. We all know why it is used. It is basically used to assign a value from right side operands to left side operand. For example, A equals to B. The value of B is stored inside A. Let's see this example. If A equals to 5 and B equals to 10, then let's print these values. Print A. Again, if you write print B and execute this code, if I press F5, so it will return 5 and 10 because the value of A is 5 and the value of B is 10. Now, if I write here A equals to B, so the value of B is stored inside A. Now, if I execute this code again, we will get 10 and 10. That means the value of A is 10, value of B is also 10. Why? See, if we execute this code line by line, so value of A is 5, value of B is 10. But in line number 3, we have changed the value of B. It is updated and now the value of B is stored inside the value of A. Now if we execute this code, the value of A, the current value or the latest value of A gets printed on the screen and the current value of B gets printed on the screen. Next augmented assignment operator is plus equals to. Now this operator is used to add and assign back the result to left side operand. For example, say A is equal to 5, B is equal to 2. Now if I write here A plus equals to 2 here and print A. Now if I execute this code, we get 7 here. Why? The value of A is 5 and value of B is 2. Now what I have written here is A plus equals to B. That means add and then assign result again in left side operand. For example, here we can write A equals to A plus 2. A plus equals 2 can also be written as A equals to A plus 2. Add 2 in A and store the result again on left side operand, that is A. Similarly, if I write here B plus equals to A, print B here. I have written print B. Then execute this code, so we will get 9 here. Why? The value of B is 2, but here because every time the updated value gets printed on the screen, so B plus A, that means B is equals to B plus A. The value of A is added with B and the result is stored inside the left operand, that is B again. Now the value of B is 2, the value of A, updated value of A is 7 here. Here we have seen that it is 7 and here we know that the value of B is 2 plus the value of A, updated value of A is 7, so it is 9. So when we print B, we get 9 here. Next augmented assignment operator is minus equals to. Now this operator is used to subtract two numbers and assign back the result to the left side operand. For example, A is equals to 5, B is equals to 2. Again, if I write here A minus equals to B. If I write A minus equals to B and then if I print A, then what will be the result? Let's execute this code. The result is 3. Why? The value of A is 5, the value of B is 2. Now what is the calculation? See, A equals to A minus B. That means the value of A 5 minus the value of B is 2 is equals to 3. So we get 3 answers. Similarly, we can write here B minus equals to A. B minus equals to A and print B. So we get minus 1. Why minus 1? Let's see the calculation again. Here B is equals to B minus A. What does it mean? The value of B is 2 minus the updated value of A. 3 here, 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. So we get minus 1. Next augmented assignment operator is asterisk equals to. Now this operator multiply two numbers and assign back the result to the left side operand. Now let's see how it works. A is equals to 5, B is equals to 2. If I write A asterisk is equals to B, let's print the value of A. If I print this value, if I execute, press F5, we get 10 here. Why? Let's see the calculation here. Value of A is 5, value of B is 2, A asterisk equals to B. That means A asterisk equals to B can also be written as A equals to A into B or A asterisk B. That means the value of A is 5 into the value of B is 2. That means 10 is stored inside A, and when you print A, value gets printed. That is, we get 10 here. Similarly, I write B asterisk equals to 5 or B asterisk equals to 15. What does it mean? It means multiply two numbers. The value that is stored inside B and 15 multiplies together, and the result is again stored back to the left side operand, that is B. Now B asterisk equals to 15 can also be written as B equals to B into 15. That means the value of B 2 into 15 so it equals to 30. So if I execute this code, if I press F5, so we get 30. If I write print B and execute it, so we get 30 here. 15 into 2, that is 30. Our next augmented assignment operator is slash equals to. Now it divides two numbers and assign the result back to the left side operand. Let's take an example. A is equals to 5, B is equals to 2. Now A slash equals to B, and let's print A. Now let's execute this code. We get 2.5. Now let's quickly see the calculation here. A slash equals to B can also be written as A equals to A slash B. Now the value of A divided by the value of B, that means 5 divided by 2, and the result is stored again inside A variable. When you execute, we get 2.5. Next augmented assignment operator is modulus equals to. Now modulus equals to, we have already discussed about modulus. It is division, basically used for division, and returns remainder. So it divides two numbers and returns remainder and store it inside the left side operand. Let's see example. A is equals to 5, B is equals to 2 again. Now we can write A modulus equals to B and quickly print this value A. Let's execute this code. So we get 1 here. Why we get 1? See calculation. A modulus equals to B can also be written as A equals to A modulus B. So value of A divided by value of B, and the remainder we get is stored inside A again, and print A, that is 1. So we get 1. Next augmented assignment operator is double asterisk equals to. Now we already have used double asterisk. It is used to perform exponential. So here, after performing exponential, it stores the result back to the left side operand. See how it works? So we write A double asterisk equals to B. A double asterisk equals to B, and when we print this result, when we print A, execute it, we get 25. Why we get 25 here? Do calculation again. A double asterisk equals to B can also be written as A equals to A asterisk x B. So A double asterisk B. So value of A is 5, value of B is 2. 5 raised to the power 2. That is 25. 25 is stored inside A, and print A. So we get 25. Next augmented assignment operator is double slash equals to. Now double slash, we all know that is used for flow division. So after performing flow division on operators, it assigns the result back to the left side operand. Now let's see, for example, A is equals to 20, B is equals to 9, and if we write A double slash equals to B, we execute this code, we get 2 here. Why? Let's see the calculation. If we write A double slash equals to B, so it can also be written as A equals to A double slash B. Value of A is 20, value of B is 9. So when we divide 20 by 9, we get the result 2.2222. This is the answer. But this is the flow division and is also called as integer division. So it will discard these decimal values and store 2 inside the left side variable, that is A. And when you print A, we get 2. Now let's solve one practical example based on augmented assignment operators. Find the output. Now the question I have written here is A is equals to 5, B is equals to 10. Now A plus equals to A plus B, and B asterisk is equals to A plus B. Now print A comma B. Now you can pause the video here and solve this question and come back to see the solution. Now let's execute this code. If I press F5, we get 20 and 300. Now let's see the calculation. A plus equals to A plus B can also be written as A equals to A plus, and in bracket we can write A plus B, right? A plus equals to A plus B, that means A plus B solved first, that value again added with the value of A, and then the result is again stored inside the left side operand, that is A here. So A added with A plus B, and the result is stored inside the variable A. See the value here. If I write this argument, so if we write A equals to, now what is the value of A is 5. 5 plus, what is the value of A plus B? You can write again 5 plus 10 bracket 5 plus 10. 5 plus 10 is 15. 15 plus 5, that is 20. So the value, final value of A is equals to 20. Right? Similarly, we can do calculation on the next line. This is also comment. So B asterisk equals to A plus B can also be written as B equals to B into, and in bracket this value A plus B, A plus B. Now that means value of B is equals to the value of B, that is 10 into inside bracket we can write a plus b. Now what is a plus b? The updated value of a, because we are executing it line by line. So updated value of a, that is 20, this value, plus value of b, that is 10, right here 10. Now it means 20 plus 10, 30, and 30 into 10, that is 300. 300 is stored inside b, so b is equals to 300. Now if we execute this code and print the value of a and b, so the updated value of a, that is 20, so we get 20 here. Updated value of b, that is 300, so we get 300. So this is the output of this code. So this is about the augmented assignment operators in Python.